In this video, I'll look at calculating one number as a percentage of another. A particular charity sets monthly targets. In June, the target was £65,000, and in that month it actually earned £51,000. So, how successful were they? One way of measuring this success would be to calculate their actual income as a percentage of the target. Before doing any calculation, it's usually a good idea to make an estimate. As you can see, their actual income is roughly 3/4 of the target, so I would expect an answer of about 75%. The calculation to work out their percentage success is as follows. Divide the actual by the target and multiply by 100. So 51 divided by 65 times 100, and that comes to 78.46153. I'll round the answer to the nearest whole number, so it's 78%. The July target was 28,000, and that month its actual income was 26,000. Again, I'll calculate their actual income as a percentage of the target, but first, my estimate. 26 is quite close to 28, so it shouldn't be far short of 100%, and I'd expect 90-something. And the calculation, 26 divided by 28 times 100, and that gives 92.85714, which is 93% rounded to the nearest whole number. And finally, what was the success rate for the 2 months combined? The combined target is 65 plus 28, which comes to 93,000. The combined income for the 2 months is 51 plus 26, which comes to 77,000. And just from the picture, I'd expect roughly 80%. And now the calculation. 77 divided by 93 times 100, and the answer is 82.795698, which comes to 83%. One final point about these calculations. Here again are the figures. The target earnings for the 2 months and the actual earnings. As you can see, the charity earned more in June than in July. But in comparison to their targets for these months, they were actually more successful in July. Here they achieved 93% of their target compared to just 78% in June.